And voila. Look at that. It's free. There's a freed camshaft in here. Welcome back to the garage, the place where we are making your Bronco, your dream Bronco. Hey, if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, putting out how-to videos for the weekend mechanic and providing the Bronco entertainment. Today we're putting in a camshaft. You know, I've got everything disassembled on my old camshaft and, or I got everything disassembled on my engine. And now I'm gonna put in the new camshaft. Now, if you didn't see where I took everything apart, make sure to check that video out. Also, I'm putting together a couple videos. One, how to change a harmonic balancer, and two, how to change your timing chain. So make sure to be on the lookout for those. If you haven't yet subscribe so that you can watch those. So this is my original camshaft, and it's not too terribly bad, but you can see on there where the lifters have just kind of wore down on the camshaft. When I took this camshaft out before I put the headers on, and I was making like 140 horsepower. So I'm gonna throw this cam on there, see what my horsepower gains are. I'm also putting on a new timing chain, new lifters, new harmonic balancer. So check that out when it comes. Hopefully I'll make some more dyno power. Man, this angle, what was I thinking when I set this angle up? I'm like chopping off my head. If I'm standing like this, all you can see is my chest. All right, so putting in your camshaft, it's, you know, basically the exact same as pulling it out. So like I'm gonna put this new camshaft in and just put everything back on the same way that it came off. So I'm not gonna take a lot of time and stop and talk through stuff, but I'll talk through a couple things as I go. Oh, the cool part about this, look at this. Like, this is awesome. I didn't have to pull my engine out because you have this huge gaping hole here. So like I literally can just like fit my camshaft in. But do not do this, what I'm doing right now. You wanna make sure that you put engine break-in grease on this before you put your camshaft back in. I got the Permatex Ultra Slick Engine Assembly Lube. So gonna be putting this on. Trusty screwdriver in there. Bingo. We got those lined up, which means that we are at 0 degrees. And look at this. You see how much slop I had before on my chain? Like, there is very little. Patrick is here, he's helping me out today, putting everything back together, and my wife is standing there waiting to ask me a question. So we're doing the water pump and the timing chain, and you know, it's like just this maze of all these bolts that go in there. So it's easier just to put all the bolts in when it's all together before you put on all the rest of the stuff. So we're just kind of going through, putting all the bolts in, putting all the everything, you know, the alternator bracket, the power steering bracket, all of it in there right now. What I'm doing right now is I am just kind of lining my belts up, and what I'm wanting to do is I just want to make sure that everything fits the way that it should. Everything's looking pretty good. I still need to get the fan on here and actually bolt those in and suck it back onto the water pump, but you know, just got my thermostat housing in, and forgot to put the thermostat in. That's it. So I'm going to stop right here. The rest of it is really breaking in the camshaft. So I'm going to do a separate video on breaking in the camshaft. So make sure to check that out to kind of finish up the camshaft install and all that good stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.